will show you how to short a BOM. To short it, you have to select entire BOM, then right click, then select short. You can short based on this column, as well as you can group items together. Let's say I want to show all parts first, then assemblies. Or you can move up and down using this option. Right now it's showing assemblies first. Now I changed this to parts. Press OK to see the result. Then at the same time, you can short this. Let's unselect assemblies and parts. Inside short, I can short based on these 4 columns. Let's short based on this part number, then description, as well as you have third option. Let's short it based on description. As we can see, this is the order based on alphabet. Now short it again. This time I want to show all parts first, then assemblies, as well as I want to short based on description. As we can see, all parts are showing at top, then assemblies. Then for these 4 parts, this is ordered based on this description. So this shorting option is really very powerful. Whatever way you want, you can short it. You have option to save this short setting. Let's say this is the setting I want to save. Select this Save Current Short Settings. As well as when you short it, you have option not to change item number. In this case, this item number. Because every time we are shorting this item number is keep changing. In this case, there is no change. Let's change this short based on part number. First parts, then assemblies, then run this short based on this part number. And in this case, make sure to select don't change item numbers. So here, as we can see, this part number is correct, but this item number did not update. If you want to apply this saved short setting for any BOM, right click on this BOM, go inside short and select apply saved short.